Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of past spending? You're not alone. Many of us struggle to get a handle on our finances because we don't have a clear picture of where our money went. That's where budgeting tools like YNAB, You Need a Budget, come in. But here's the burning question: does YNAB magically pull in all your past transactions, or do you have to manually enter them all? Let's dive in. For those unfamiliar, YNAB is a budgeting method and software that emphasizes giving every dollar a job. It's not just about tracking spending, it's about making conscious choices about how you allocate your resources. But to truly understand your spending habits, you need to see the whole picture, right? The short answer is no, YNAB doesn't automatically import past transactions. You'll need to manually enter them. This might sound daunting, but trust me, it's worth it. Here's why. Gaining clarity, manually entering past transactions forces you to confront your spending habits head-on. You'll see exactly where your money went, and you might be surprised by some of the revelations. Building a foundation, entering past data helps you understand your average monthly expenses, which is crucial for creating a realistic budget. Taking control, manually entering data gives you a sense of ownership over your finances. You're actively involved in the process, not just passively observing. Now, I know what you're thinking: manually entering months of transactions? That sounds like a nightmare. But fear not, there are ways to make this process less painful. Start with the most recent month, begin with the current month, and gradually work your way back. Use your bank statements, download your bank and credit card statements and use them as a guide. Categorize as you go. Don't just enter the amount, categorize each transaction, e.g., groceries, rent, entertainment. This will save you time in the long run. Break it down, don't try to enter everything at once. Set aside short, dedicated time blocks each day to work on it. Find a system that works for you. Some people find it helpful to use spreadsheets, while others prefer to enter transactions directly into the YNAB software. Experiment to find what works best for you. While it may seem like a tedious task, entering past transactions is an investment in your financial future. Once you have a complete picture of your spending, you can identify areas for improvement, spot unnecessary expenses, and find ways to cut back. Set realistic budget goals. Create a budget that actually reflects your true spending habits. Track progress over time, monitor your progress, and make adjustments as needed. Gain confidence in your financial decisions. Feel empowered to make informed choices about how you spend your money. So, there you have it. YNAB doesn't import past transactions, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't bother entering them. In fact, I highly recommend it. It might seem like a daunting task, but the benefits far outweigh the effort. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.